TF4 me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies podcast YouTube channel so na ensem yaba na same way no in legal terms no we make say you're right but Ghana has say na yenhu BBC and a lot of people will react separately and differently to this matter. Now I understandable answer me better as on subscribe and click the notification bell no and no any that screen so see we understand latest news be about once ebeka the yatse asem no akwai say nkrofo e de hye enyama ase a wo mo pese be pie but the yatse a mensa akaleta na me read actual I mean as the video is going on no me read actual na wa we hu the echo the yatse say popular Ghanaian gospel musician a friend Celestine Donko will sue a Reverend Obofo na and our threatening say will be taking legal action against Reverend Obofo na assembly ni Reverend Obofo ebeye 31st night wa wonim say asofo nia a ewo Ghana 31st night no ena ye omukoko season asofo nia ewo Ghana 31st night ena ye koko season na mo nti Reverend Obofo na adwon say we be 31st night ewo Kumasi I think it's a Jubilee Park or something. I think Kumasi baby and our 31st night. Nti Reverend Obofo asha say we ye advert e won the TV station. So na se wo nim Reverend Obofo he owns 4 TV stations. And no ye de ye nim na de we yi nanim acha yen say e yo no ne de no. 1 e Kiss TV, 2 e Lion TV, 3 e Sweet TV, 4 e Cash TV. All these TV stations are owned by Reverend Obofo. Nti Reverend Obofo ebo the advert are for 31st 90 on all these TV stations. Now mistake awoye na say advert are Reverend Obofo ye no na enjumbi edase na enjuma edase Celestine Donko wone akole bia nansen ono nso wo bonjum pa nkrofo boboje ne so no aha wone sa akola no enjum a title no agbe bolo agbebolo no aigbe a etrese bread of life na trese enkwan bodo aha enkwan bodo ene ye ka no agbebolo ewa aigbe mu na akola na wone ne ye na ye fe ne Inshiraba Gideon akola ne di no na enjumwe hit song uyo bi a wotai gospel songs bi a woni enjumwe a very very big song nti Reverend Obofo ebo enjumwe ewo advert ni mu na trese Reverend Obofo advert no obe say bi a Reverend Obofo ni video bi na the picture obo say njum ne da asiesa fine na otumi say a very nice advert inti Celestine Donko say Reverend Obofo mbisa permission ansa na wo use enu hinti no maybe the letter no na trese ensema eda ho no ye nia yate ase na ye nia nim say letters bi say e ba bonten a eya na legal terms bi ewom be dia legal terms na ewom no I mean to mean trust and not say yeah first but they me to me trust and na ma trust am let and you say my client informs me that we lawyer no Celestine Donko the lawyer no and a word throw letter we letter what they come Reverend Obofo leak ayen so yensa ke bia ye read their trail was say my client informs me that she has discovered you have used the song to record an advertisement of a program your church intend organizing on December 31st night without her consent and or authorization. Consequence to that, the said advert recorded with the song is being played on 4 television stations, namely Kiss TV, Lion TV, Sweet TV and Cash TV, known to be affiliated to your church. Now the opening paragraph a lawyer no etroya ekoma Reverend Obofo nini was say Celestine Donko ama wono lawyer na tiase se Reverend Obofo wo de nenwom aka wo advert one wo bo e wo 4 TV stations here ya ye nhwehwemu a ye trese sa 4 TV stations yi wo oni eye wo dia na de ewom de se Celestine Donko say Reverend Obofo wan frɛ no e bisa me say oh maame e bese me yusu wudwum nwum e de ye bibi wan frɛ no e bisa ne sa one friend ma wanka se wo dabi me yusu one friend ma wanka se wo betumi akoso yusu one friend no na se dem din kan trɛ no ukọ abroche a ade we normal ya abroche e na story bi say ba ya e ka obo so obi abeka se wo Reverend Obofo anya ade wo stand wo obi abeka because they understand the copyright system and it works. It na me say me YouTube bi me to me ngofa obi videos embetuma me ankasa me create me content and make kasa say no because me the obi videos embetumu a YouTube bi imbrofofo ne na ye copyright ebe den ebetumi ache me ati ase aha iti copyright ya ade bia eye den ebo adwuma ende Celestine Donko ne ndwum say se me bo ebo me video we ya me ya na audio we ya me kasa se me bo Celestine Donko ne ndwum a obo se copyright no ebe che me YouTube channel na wo tie sisia no because I am brofofo na YouTube no womo de womo te nsem na se nti e no de hu hia se Celestine Donko be ma ne lawyer kra atro ama me YouTube na be di Celestine Donko na asem ama no na to se sike bia e bia me video we am ye ebe ba so no straight ebe ko Celestine Donko ho nti Celestine Donko ka se wa tre se Reverend Obofo wo bo wo de nenjoma show advert ma wo bo for sa for TV stations si we mbisa no for authorization bia. Now we are not the chance to say, having violated the Copyright Act 2005, Ghana, the management of Miss Celestine Donko has demanded Reverend Obofo to render an account of profits made so far from using the song. Now, say, yes, Reverend Obofo. Enyum na wo use ye no ye Jessica render account na ye hu say enjum no say ni advert na bobo no oh say na we make te say ebia wo ade ne say ebia enjum ne ti kran no wo bi pa enjum ne ti wo be ka say oh esan say Reverend Obofo use say enjum we hu ti no me dey me call all night no and me call 31st night no ti ni aye nsema e wo ho. I say our client is hereby demanding an explanation of this matter. She also demands that you render account on profits made so far from using her song for commercial purpose and compensate her accordingly. It is just in some of the anything and say Reverend Obofo Yesika where you see me products without my knowledge Mr. I was say then wuchiame. Now I like the thinking of gospel musicians now in Ghana. First, no, will be a gospel musician now. Just say, I won't try one nisika, a John Nankasa be a warrior, Nejuma Fufru be a maniska. But Pastor Warden in the Ebe Siso say gospel in Jumno and our gospel music never maniska no say, mano. Because for your gospel musician, you say your friend or equa, sorry, bia, who na yes, you. That's because some who say Yami Juma and our Yelintino, Wako told you more sorry, be a sorry no ain't yao. Nanka first, no gospel musicians who use in Jum at the advert, one bassem and diska, but and then one more doing about the business side of the gospel music now, one more yano, a yachet here and an yankopon or their momo. And yankopon the moment no said the yankopon yes, one wine omonye for free because as so far Yenya Yejidi. Say what mama prophecies crano. Sebe asori na them room no unko for free. At least we betia bibi. Inti etie for eno ene nsema eda ho. Wasi Reverend Obofo sika wo make ye profit any bibiano e wasa ye den o compensate no. Utia no. Na from someone who has been in this entertainment industry and knows things about copyright because in the first place na me din kan share mo no your copyright hunti ena me uko obia YouTube so we bia a lot of YouTube channels say we Ghana has say we be say video we will be video no wa fat no dey better so will be video no wa fat no dey better so un say me has say dem nya sa because I understand the copyright system what you say me ko fa Shatawale the video bi ana ninjum bi e de beto me channel so sisia YouTube for best send me email in tempa say Shatawale ninjum me dey ato me channel so no enye me dia me mbisa permission from Shatawale o munim so say me mbisa permission from Shatawale e na me dey ato me channel so it tell say emfaso bia the video no ebenya bia no obe say straight ko Shatawale ho e bia mo be hu say views no e bia me channel so na eba obe say views no but YouTube for ebe send no email ebe send no letter ama what you say emfaso bia eba sa o channel ne so no and as a video now dey ato channel ne so no e say when bisa Shatawale for authorization nti no emfaso linear ko Shatawale ho em say motin say na say it is a system that is supposed to work into when your idea will be about Yaga say, oh, Motan Reverend or Buffo, will be now some mamma say, oh, Mumbebu and was away in Guasia, a legal matter, a copyright and some with them a property. Because if you are Reverend or Buffo, so also when you may be a why no copyright, what you say, who to mean confine a without the knowledge, you have to what account for it. And then approach musician there a friend of Pharrell Williams. Pharrell. Now Pharrell he one no put there one for will be in Jumo. One for will be sure. Yes, say what year will be in Juma. Senior who feel Pharrell Williams say the same thing. One also a born Jum a different from Sad you know, but yes, say what year in Juma and my work Kaisa ni pakuni name Jumintino. Pharrell Williams he ya chill for copyright. Hey, in for the claim when they call court no. Pharrell elusu ye ewo court sika wo chia ye over like millions of dollars oh. Million and then Ghana has a city so millions of dollars in some any year can just because I don't put there one fan the pakuni beat, one fan the pakuni west, one fan the pakuni nyumo. Yes, say utie wo no Pharrell ne nyum na e ma wo fili to say ye fan say dia Shatawale aye nyum na me so maye bi na Ghana has a yes you utie me nyum no amama kai Shatawale njuma hu nti Shatawale edeme kokot na Ghana wo hwa ebe ye kenye ye ba brochi eyeye. That's how far their systems are. Inti in for musicians there wo mbre ba ko say wo ko fa ne nyum e de beto channel so a wo mba bond say obetro letter because systems ni ye adwuma wo ho a systems ni be make sure say sika e be ba so bia no e ko say ni patro ne ho. So I think this is a pattern Ghanaian entertainment e was say ya dwen e ye den e ba so. Because hey, some music industry you not be on top forever. Until time we wa hit here, make the most out of it because Ghana for this e be peja sha na ya ye ntie onyum yes you carry ewu so one hwe na one pay bibi anya unse nkrofo use onyum free na one hwe anya bibi a ya mo ntre mo adwen me da say